Now here we want to look at dropping a perpendicular line from a point to a given line. For example, we have the point O, and you want to drop a perpendicular line that moves from point O to the line AB. So how do we drop a perpendicular line from there? So we put the tip of your compass at the point O, then you stretch your compass such that it is past the line you want to drop a perpendicular line to. So you draw two arcs on the line. Draw two arcs on the line. Where the two arcs cut the line, without altering the radius, or you can alter the radius, then you draw an arc on the other side of the line from the point. With this other mark, you draw another arc on the other side of the line. So where the two arcs meet now, you join them back to the point in question. You don't join them back to the point in question. And that way, you draw that line this way. So the line drawn, you realize that will meet this. When we measure this line, therefore, when we measure this line, what do we realize? And that line now meets this line at 90 degrees. It meets this line at 90 degrees. So that is a perpendicular bisector to a line. Another thing, yes, it meets this line at 90 degrees because it is from a point, it will meet the line at 90 degrees. So if given a line, let's see, if given a line, if given a line QR, if QR is a line, and you are asked to divide the line into two equal parts, so you want to divide this line into two equal parts, so you put your pair of compass and stretch it such that the radius is more than half this line. Then you draw an arc below the line, another arc above the line, with the same radius and with Q now as your center. With Q as your center, you draw an arc above the line. With Q as your center, you just need to be accurate. With Q as your center, you draw an arc above the line and another arc below the line to cut the first arc. Now we realize that this one is not cutting, so we bring the pair of compass back to point R so that we draw this to meet that. So where the two arcs meet, then you now join them. You join where the two arcs meet so that you draw that line there. So this line will divide this line into two equal parts. Let's see. If we now have this part here, then this part should also fit on Q directly. So this line has divided the line QR into two equal parts. So the perpendicular bisector also can be called the locus of a point. This one can now be called the locus of a point that is equidistant from point Q and R. So if you are asked to construct the locus of a point that is equidistant from point Q and R, then you simply bisect the line QR. You draw a perpendicular bisector. You divide the line QR into two equal parts, and this will give you the locus of a point that is equidistant from point Q and point R. So that is about the dropping about a perpendicular bisector to a line. Thank you.